This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we'll compare two consonant sound, and as in the words pray and play. In our previous videos, we'll learn how to make them. Remember the videos for the sound as in the word run and the sound as in the word let? The and the may not sound similar, but they have some things in common. Both of them are made with air passing through their mouth around the sides like a liquid. This is why they're called liquid consonants. Foreign speakers who don't have these sounds in their native language often can't distinguish between the and the and may involuntarily distort or swap them in words. A great way to practice the pronunciation of these is to practice them in contrasting word pairs. Before we begin, let's begin how you can differentiate between the and the sounds. You'll see a pair of words on the screen and hear only one of them pronounced. For example, play. Can you guess what words you heard? Let's try a few more words pairs. Brush. Clown. Grow. Free. Lice. How did you do? Don't get discouraged if you didn't get all the words right. You'll improve after doing some pronunciation exercise in just a minute. Here are the two key distinctions between the and the First, look at the position of the tip of your tongue. For the sound, the tip of your tongue is raised toward the alveolar ridge, but it doesn't touch it. For the sound, the tip of your tongue touches the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth. Second, look at the blade of the tongue. For the sound, the middle of the tongue is lowered and the back of the tongue is raised. For the sound, the back of the tongue is lowered. Let's pronounce these sounds one after the other. Now that you've reviewed how to make these consonants, let's practice pronouncing these sounds in some words. This is the most important part of your training, so try to go through as many words as possible. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Arrive. After that, you'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Repeat each word after the speaker. The first word will have the consonant sound. Then the second will have the consonant sound. Let's begin. Arrive. Alive. Broom. Bloom. Brush. Blush. Crime. climb, crowd, cloud, crown, clown, crack, collect, frame, flame, free, flee, fresh, flush, fry, fly, grass, glass, grow, glow, grew, glue, race, lace. You're done. Congratulations. To check how much you've improved, you can do the word pairs test again. Click this link to go back and compare the result. You've just practiced 2 essential American sounds. Once you get confident pronouncing them, you'll be able to take the next step towards improving your American accent. You can start working on the R-colored vowels, which are quite hard, without first learning to pronounce the American consonant sound. You'll also find it easier